This video we are going to learn how to write the SQL query to find the total balance of each customer along with their highest transaction amount. Okay, if you look at our database diagram, here we have customers, accounts and transactions table. These we need to fetch the customers list and the balance amount, total amount, along with the highest transaction amount from the transactions table. So the customers table and the accounts table are related on the customer ID, and accounts table and transactions table are related on the account ID. Select star from customers, C, inner join the accounts table, accounts A, on C dot customer ID is equal to A dot customer ID. Then we will join accounts table and transactions table. So we are going to use left join here because it is not mandatory that all the accounts present have an transactions in the transactions table, so particularly in our database system. So that's why we are using left join transactions. If you do the inner join, only the accounts that are present in the transactions table only it will return. So that's why we are using left join. Transactions T on. So accounts table and the transactions table are related on the account ID. Okay, so T dot, what is the field name? It is account underscore ID. T dot account underscore ID is equal to A dot account underscore ID. Okay, let us run this query. So these are the total list of columns present in all these three tables. So what we needed is we need to get the customer name and the total balance amount and the highest amount. So for that, what we need C dot customer underscore name comma A dot balance as the total balance comma T dot transaction T dot amount. Okay, let me execute this query. So now we have all these three required columns, but we need the total balance. For example, here John Doe is having 2 rows. We need to find the sum of these two values. We need to group the customer name and then get the amount total balance as 2000, and we need to find the highest transaction amount. So among 500 and 200, the highest is 500, so we should get the 500. So let's group the data. So we need to get sum of balance as total balance and maximum of T dot amount. So since we are aggregating the data, we need to add group by function. We need to group the data. So group by, so what is the remaining column in the select statement? That is C dot customer name. Okay, so this data will be transformed to, it will group the data and gives us the total balance amount and the maximum amount. So just look at this data and see the output. So now if you see, each customer has only one record because we have grouped the data on C dot customer name. After grouping, the total balance now is showing as 2000 and the maximum transaction of that customer is 5000. So instead of just maximum T dot amount, we just provide alias as max transaction. So this query returns the data even for some records where there are nulls in the transaction table. So if you use inner join, it will return only the matching records of accounts and transactions. So depending on your requirement, you can choose the type of join here. Okay, I hope this query is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.